Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording on this device. So first we should launch the settings application, and after that we should scroll to the advanced features section. Then we should click here to screenshots and screen recorder, and then you'll see here the screen recorder settings. Now just to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording, we should use this switcher, and that's it. Also we can launch the screen recording settings by the second way. Just first we should launch the notification panel shortcuts, and after that we should find here the screen recorder icon. We just should hold for a while this icon, and after that we'll see here the same screen recorder settings, and we can also turn on or turn off the screen touches. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.